Hello, online marketers. Still dreaming of earning big money on the web? Are you willing to make real money online, but are unable to do so because you don't know much about CPA marketing? You still might be focusing on those outdated strategies that promise colossal earnings, but fail to deliver. As a result, you lose your precious time, hard-earned money, and of course, your efforts. Are you aware 80% of money made online is earned by only 20% of online marketers? Did that give you a shock? Well, buddy, you're not alone. Countless of online marketers or affiliates are unable to use the opportunity to make money online as they simply don't know how to do CPA marketing the right way. With CPA marketing, you will be able to promote all kinds of great offers in any niche you want, earn cool passive income like never before, reduce your chances of getting into a fraudulent scheme, generate quality and productive CPA leads, and you can learn it first and then provide expensive services to other businesses. If you don't know how to do CPA marketing in the proper manner, you're heading in the wrong direction and your commissions are coming to a halt. Just imagine what benefits you can get by applying the strategies that gurus use, strategies that enable you to become your own boss. Let me tell you, CPA marketing will enable you to earn in a colossal manner in any niche and market of your choice, and your cost of operation is also a bare minimum. Give yourself the freedom to earn even when you're asleep. Still, if you've not decided to use CPA marketing, check out these eye-openers. 80% of money made online is earned only by 20% of online marketers. Companies spend up to $150,000 a month on commissions. 48% of U.S. affiliate businesses have pay-per-click accounts. $20 billion in sales have been generated from affiliate marketing and lead generation. 75 out of 100 online retailers have an affiliate program for marketing campaigns. CPA commissions can go up to $150 per action made. Man, an effective CPA marketing program enables you to connect with millions of needy customers all over the world and earn through efforts made on their end. To facilitate all this, we've designed this unique and excellent CPA marketing training guide exclusively to cater to your needs. Now, it's your chance to take action and become your own boss by setting up effective CPA marketing campaigns using a few clicks of your mouse. Our guide makes CPA marketing simple and hassle-free, and even non-technical people can use it with complete ease. You will be able to give your family a lavish lifestyle. Now, we could have sold this training guide at 5 times the price we're offering to you at this moment, and trust me, you would have surely paid it with a big smile on your face. But we don't believe in always charging more. We believe in spreading our knowledge to as many people as possible, so the most people can benefit from this great information. So, we decided to offer it to you at a very heavy discount, but only for the next 7 days. Make a move on this and get your hands on this up-to-date CPA marketing training guide while it's still available for less than its actual selling price. We assure you that you will be able to reap excellent benefits for your business starting today. Take action and click on the button now and derive tons from these latest CPA methods you've never seen before. I promise this will explode your business growth like never before. Act now before it's too late.